What are the benefits of the 034 heat exchanger versus more popularly discussed brands? I'm not sure what's
What platform?
more popularly discussed. I'm assuming this is for the supercharged
The V8 stuff?
V8. The 034 unit is a premium quality unit with billet end tanks, and it's configurable for various flow configurations, whether it's a single pass or a double pass. We can configure it for different applications based on where the coolant comes in and goes out. It's about as big as we can fit in there, and it uses a very high quality, efficient core.
Yep. It's got bleeders per tank, so it's one of the easiest ones to bleed.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, and it's a full install kit with everything you need. We don't cut any corners. It's a really premium quality kit with a really nice quality installation. And it's very popular. I mean, we sell many of those every year.